Welcome to Rest Office Channel.
Halo, assalamualaikum Tante Brosis. Apa kabar pian semua? Semoga kabar pian semua sehat dan bahagia. Nah, kali ini Rest Office Channel ingin mengupdate harga ikan predator di hari kemerdekaan di bulan Agustus di tahun 2024. Dan kali ini berkunjung ke Kenzi Aquatic di Banjarmasin untuk melihat serta mereview ikan predator apa saja yang dijual di sini. Oke Om Tante Brosis, ikutin terus video Lun kali ini. Namun sebelum mulai, langkah baiknya pengen klik tombol subscribe, like, comment, dan share channel Lun ini agar semakin bersemangat dan memberikan informasi mengenai dunia perikanan di Kalsel. Selamat menonton. Assalamualaikum.
I know you told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. Guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away, as you fade away.
Yeah, I'm about to fade away, cause every time I wake up I feel like it's Monday. Something's going wrong with all the chemicals up in my brain. All of a sudden I don't look at anything the same way. Gotta build up of my thoughts sitting in an ashtray. I'm sorry that I'm so inconvenient, okay. Just let me be me and I'll stay out of your way. I can see the way you look at me, I'm such a disgrace. I never really asked to be brought into this place. You wanna love me? Well then baby have a taste. All the highs and the lows, no, you'll never be the same. I don't really wanna hurt you, but I can't control the pain. If you're sticking by my side, maybe we could be okay. Okay, maybe you could be the change I need today. I promise that I've never felt this way. I really hope that you will choose to stay through all the pain.
I know you told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. Guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away, as you fade away, as you fade away.
Bos, jangan lupa like, share, comment, and subscribe.
Oscar ya. Ini bebas apa nih? Mono 2 putih 27 lah. 27-28 cm berapa? 750. Perotnya perot 5 jari. That's Borneo 5,5 ya. Ada 5 jari. Belida Bangkok 35 lah. Banjar ya. Ya, udah. Kayak golden 2 juta. Teme berapa? 1,5. Florida
TSN 35 lah, 40. GK 800. 150. Dat silver air. Dat silver.
60.
RTC ini berapa nih? That's gold yang ini, Ir. Mana ayo? Silver Pino. Nah, ini apa nih? Pibasnya Pinima. Ini bebas apa? Mono. Palmasnya bang? Enli lah. Enli. Maser.
Dari 75 sampai 200.
75 sampai 200. Patin.
35.
Oscar ya? Oscar biasa. Nih. Good merk. Nih.
Berputih 200. Udah sampai kayak tadi 5,5.
Bilang.
2,5.
Cherry yang bono. Cakep. Lidah brown bang. Operator. Ukuran berapa nih? RTC halus. Ini pang leopard nih. Leopard. Tes TSN 90. 70 lah sentinya. Hah? Ini pang golden nih. Julung-julung grooming. Oke Om Tante Brosis, sampai di sini dulu video Ulun kali ini. Apabila ada kesalahan informasi yang Ulun sampaikan, bisa pian tulis di kolom komentar. Ulun undur pamit. Assalamualaikum.